have the single stranded RNA virus. So the chikungunya. The chikungunya is caused by the chikungunya virus, which is an arthropod-borne viruses which are transmitted by the Aedes mosquito, and chikungunya was mostly perceived as a benign acute painful fever and commonly mistaken for a dengue fever. They are responsible for acute and chronic articular manifestation. The intensity of the pain and handicap give the disease its name chikungunya, means that which bends up in Macondo language. It was first isolated from the Tanzania, and major outbreak first spread to most islands in Indian Ocean in 2005 to 2006. And India since 2006 the infection of the chikungunya virus occurred. Here the geographical distribution of the prevalence of the chikungunya virus. Here again the chikungunya virus follows the man-mosquito-man cycle. And man is infected with a mosquito bite by the Aedes mosquito. What are the pathogenesis of the chikungunya? First, the chikungunya virus targeted on the lymphoid tissue, liver, CNS, joints and muscle. And in persistent cases, the chikungunya virus could be found later in the lymphoid organ, liver, joints, muscle, macrophages, and these are the main reservoir. And the sign and symptoms depends upon the site of the organ which are affected by the chikungunya virus. The initial biological changes, there is transient leukopenia and lymphopenia, mild thrombocytopenia, and there is low rise in the C-reactive protein. The clinical manifestation of the chikungunya is crippling joint pains, conjunctivitis, lymphadenopathy, and hemorrhagic tendency. This is the main clinical and biological differences between the chikungunya and dengue fever in tabulated form. Both in chikungunya and dengue fever is common, but rashes is early in chikungunya and late in dengue fever. Retroorbital pain is rare in chikungunya fever, that is common in dengue. Arthalgia, arthritis are common in case of the chikungunya, but it is rare or absent in dengue cases. Hypotension is possible but in chikungunya, but most common in dengue. And outcome of the chikungunya, they may lead to Raynaud syndrome or tenosynovitis or common persistent of arthralgia for months to a year in case of the chikungunya, whereas it is absent in dengue fever. Thrombocytopenia is early and mild in case of the chikungunya, whereas in dengue, delayed and possibly deep. And in dengue, this leads to dengue shock syndrome. Here some feature of chikungunya infection. Here the swollen unscaped hand. Again, some X-ray finding of the chikungunya infection and diagnosis of chikungunya virus by the isolation of the virus, serological methods, and neutralization and hemagglutination tests. Treatment of the chikungunya, again there is no specific antiviral diseases, only the treatment is by the symptomatic treatment, and aspirin should be avoided because of the risk of the bleeding. There is no role of the systemic corticosteroids in case of the chikungunya. Control and prevention as usual, control the mosquito, it has no vaccines, and use the personal protective measures. Third one is the Japanese encephalitis, which is caused by the flavivirus and first discovered in Japan